Hi everyone, I've decided to give you another quick update on the project and show you the problems I faced when I was trying to assemble the housing and start doing the testing. Now here we are striving to achieve 100% reliability because human lives are at stake. So the problem I faced is when I was assembling the old housing. This is the original housing that I've worked on. Let me put some, let me get it closer. Okay, this is the original housing. So when I was assembling it, and I put the original spring into the housing, the safety pin which locks the housing was touching this spring right here. I don't know if you can see it. I see it, so you probably will see it too. This spring was interfering with the hole because it's too wide. It was interfering with the whole safety mechanism. It was not allowing it to go up and lock the trigger bar right there. So that was a problem. Either I have to get rid of this, not have it in the housing, or get another one. So I did. I went out and I bought another spring. Come on, focus. There you go. Another spring which is with the same stiffness but is skinnier. The diameter is smaller. So I was hoping that it would not interfere with the safety. But it still did interfere with the safety, and I was getting like 95%, I could say, success of locking. So good thing I bought a couple of each, another housing and another trigger with the bar. So I had to rework the whole thing again. I changed the hole, put it lower, more aggressive angle. This is the new one. There we go. So as you see, it's lower. I moved the whole assembly on a lower spot. There you go, finally. The whole assembly, I moved it a bit down, not this much up, you can see it, and then I reworked the whole trigger bar. I had to do it. I'm sorry about that. Technical difficulties. And I'll put them down here. Maybe I can focus on them from manually or something. Alright, so as you can see, there is difference where this opening is, here and over here. It's much lower now. There you go. It's way lower. And now I'm absolutely happy because I have 100% positive work and locks and releases fast and without any snag. Okay, so this is it. Next I will assemble it and show you how it works. I also forgot to say that I moved the position of the spring. Now the original bar has this hole for the spring way lower. I decided to move it up. Anyways, it's right here. There you go. It's right here. I've cut it here. It was way longer. It's coming down like this much. The original bar. I've cut it off and I've made another hole here, which doesn't interfere with the whole process at all. Both springs, the housing spring and the other one which is on the firing pin, they play tug of war kinda and help each other and lessen your pull. That's all they do. So this spring is not interfering with anything, unless it doesn't allow the safety pin to go up and lock the gun. We want the gun to be perpetually locked unless you have a magnet on the bottom to move the inside magnet to unlock it. There we go. Awesome. Okay. There you go. The magnets are working beautifully. Take it off. In the holster, locked. In your hand, ready to shoot. Just beauty. I call that 100% reliability. You can crush this trigger, not gonna shoot. Okay, thank you guys.